Hi everyone, this is a short video to show you how to use the Math Editor Function tab. There will be a few problems that you'll do for assessments that will require you to input your answer either in the form of a fraction or in requiring or using exponents, or might use inequality symbols. And I just want to show you very quickly how you find the Math Editor tab. So if you have an answer that's a short answer question that means that you have to put in or input your own numerical answer, you're going to use this tab that looks like an F with an X next to it. It's called the Math Editor. So you're going to click on that. And the nice thing is that you can move it around and you can, oops, that's not what I wanted to have happen here. And get it back here. We can move it around. So I need to write my answer in the form of a fraction. So using the Math Editor, I have a bunch of options here, and the option that I want to choose is this one here. It's a box with a bar and another box, so it's going to let me write my answer as a fraction. So you're going to do your calculations, you're going to find a common denominator, that sort of thing, and then you're going to write your answer and use your arrow keys or whatever to move around. But you write your answer, and then you're going to save your answer. Now, if I want to do an exponent, if I have to do an answer that requires exponents, again, you're going to go to the Math Editor tab and hit this. It's called f of x, and I can move this again so I can make sure that I can see this. In this situation, I need to put a power. I'm going to need an exponent, so we're going to use this template right here. So I'm going to type in the letter x, the variable x. And then I click on this so that I get what's called a superscript. And then I can put my power in. So that's how I'm going to write an answer that requires a power. So I hit accept. I can save my answer. So the third type of question that you might end up using the editor for is one that involves an inequality. So again, you're going to click on the Math Editor tab. So you click on that. And let me move this so I can see the question. And on a piece of paper, you're gonna find your answer to this. Now, if you solve this correctly, you should get that x is greater than 2. So you would type in x. Now, I need an inequality symbol. So here are a couple of inequality symbols, but they have the equal to line underneath them, and I don't want that. So if I come one tab over, so it looks like it has an E and has an infinity symbol. If I go one tab over, you can see that there are a series of inequality symbols. And so this is one that does not have the equal to sign underneath it. So I can type in my answer like this, and hit accept. And then when I'm done with my quiz, you just hit save and submit. Okay? And then my test has been submitted. So that's just a quick video. You may need to rewind it and watch it again just to show you how to use the Math Editor tab.